Well, after 2 years waiting, we finally arrived here. It's back on, the Malvern Autumn Show in its full glory. There's a special, whether it's a one-off I'm not sure, but this event now is going to be spread over 3 days. And as usual, lots of stalls, food to see, but most importantly for me, it's going to host the Canna giant vegetables. Something a little bit different this year, all the plant stalls are outside, and something we'll be having a look at a little bit later on. However, I'll just give it a quick 360. I've been to quite a few garden shows in my time, and one of the best pieces of advice I can give you, if you're plant shopping, get here early, find the plant you want, buy it, and quite often there's a plant creche or even the store holder will keep it, because a number of times in my early days I've gone after a plant, saw it to buy later, and when I've returned it's gone. One of the new additions I'm purchasing for my garden this year are going to be these alliums, and this one's called Ambassador. As you can see, quite a decent size, and a bargain, 3 for £15. These here are narcissus called Tahiti. I've already got some of these. You may recall earlier on in the season, these was growing in the buckets, and they do multiply quite quick. But because I've revamped the back garden, I'm going to be filling the borders with lots of these as well. So I'm going to get another, probably 40.
Oh, I thought I was looking. Oh, sorry. Poblano peppers, pleasure? No, we don't. No. No, not doing very well on one.
Well, I've managed to bump into an old mucker of mine, Neil from Vegapod. How are you doing, Neil?
I'm doing very well.
Lovely day, nice weekend planned, eh?
I'm hoping for a spectacular weekend. Good numbers coming through today.
Yeah.
12,500 apparently.
Over 3 days as well.
Yeah.
You've been busy all the week, so tell me about you've been down to Chelsea and with the big boys.
Yeah, so we was down at Chelsea at the beginning of the week. Set it up on Saturday and Sunday. Yeah. Got judged on Monday, and we got 3 stars.
Fantastic.
Which is not bad for old veggie pot. Done a few big days there and drove here last night.
And how long have you been? 3 years.
3 years. So we started May 2018. So
I remember bumping into Shrewsbury 1 year, wasn't it?
And then the following, and then here, 2 months later on.
Yeah.
And you run off with a veggie pot.
That's right, yeah, no, I've never regretted it. Now, the veggie box I made this year, I've done really well. I've got loads of box there. It's still going strong there, full of ladies.
Well, it's a product that just works.
Have you got anything new in the pipeline or anything?
So our veggie bag, I've not brought it with us, the self-watering one. It was a sustainable product of the year finalist at Chelsea.
Okay.
So it's gone ballistic, and it was actually also shown on the BBC.
Right then, I'm going to carry on walking around. Nice to catch up again.
Likewise. Thank you.
Oh, some of them came by road last night.
He always a bit of a stage. He had nothing to do with polish. Yeah. When you can't find a no polish. That was 6 to 11. So we've got 65 the army got rid of those. Oh, right. But if you're learning on the road,
one of the interesting things is that we've got a very limited range of native trees in the UK, and we have in this country the most wonderful arboretums which have been planted over the last 150 years. I'm sure you didn't know. Put the power into it, running it up, and that was the beginning.
He's lovely. He's just come out from black.
There's another one. There's another one.
You don't really defect me, maybe that, right? So then we went round to the business garden, but we actually got time to do the second time we've gone to South that would be good in the long term because it would get more younger. But if you want to have some layer of rotting manure around the bottom of it, put that round in the autumn, any sort of manure, good horse manure of course is good.
On the final day of the show in the Harvest Pavillion, unless the exhibitor has indicated that they wish to collect their entries, the exhibits are auctioned by the relevant societies who host each class, and here you can grab yourself a real bargain.
Please the pound of me.
Well, the sun's setting and the show's almost closed now. Really enjoyable time. Over 3 days, I've been to 2 and managed to cover most of the things now. Most of the stalls are packing up, ready to go home, and that's where I'm going to go now. I hope you enjoyed the show as much as I have. So until the next one, see you, all the best. Bye for now.